Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment. BB Naija housemate Cross exposes his manhood to a female housemate during Truth or Dare game. Big Brother Naija housemate Cross on Sunday night exposed his penis. Cross, whose birth name is Ikechukwu Sunday Cross Okonkwo, did this during a Truth or Dare game with housemates. Sammy had dared him to take out his manhood and show a female housemate. The 30-year-old fitness enthusiast and entrepreneur didn't hesitate as he removed his boxer and brought out his manhood. The female housemates were shocked as some kept staring while others took their face away. This is the first time the housemates will have the Truth or Dare game.